What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. From today I will start a series of tutorial which will help you to solve the cues faster using CFOP method. CFOP method contains 4 steps: C, F, O and P. C means cross, F first 2 layer, O orientation of last layer, and P permutation for last layer. Step 1 is C cross. You have to solve the cross basically like this. This is cross. The second step is F, means first 2 layer, or F12. Basically in this step we insert these two edge and corner pieces at the same time. Assemble like this. After finishing the second step F12, we have this, and the third step is orientation, the last layer, which will make on this yellow color facing up. Example like this. Like this we finish the orientation, and the last step is permutation, which will correct all these pieces from the up layer here. Example like this. On steps and algorithms we will cover in this series of tutorial, and in this first video I will show you some hints how to solve the cross faster. This series is mainly made for someone who just finished the basic algorithm of solving the cube and want to improve the speed of solving. So if you never solved any cube before, please follow the another tutorial which I made for beginners. The link I put in the description, but please check that first and then go back to this tutorial. Okay, let's start with the cross. The first hint of solving cross is that you should solve the cross from down layer, which means you should keep this Y centerpiece uh, facing down like this. Why we do that? Because if you solve the cross from top layer and then rotate the cube, that will take you more time of solving. The second thing that keeping this yellow layer on top will reduce the time of searching a first pair for F12. The next thing you have to remember the color scheme of the cube. We put white facing down, yellow facing up, and then to remember this is red. So from the left side red is blue, right side red is green, and opposite is orange. Next thing I want to talk about good edges and bad edges. Good edge is something like this, red and white. After one move I can bring that to a white layer like this, or green and white here also a good edge, because I can do L2 move and it will come to white layer. But here blue and white is bad edge, because I need at least two move. Example F prime L to bring that to white layer, and orange and white here also bad edge, because I need two moves to bring that to white layer. F prime and then A prime. The key of solving cross faster is make these bad edges become good edges. So here's example. I saw this red and white. This is a good edge. Simply I use A prime move, but before that I do U prime move, and then I saw this red and white, and this you see that this blue and white now become a good edge, and I can simply solve it by F move like this. So I insert this red and blue together. Here in another case that by solving a good edge we should also convert a bad edge become good edge. So here is example, red and white is in good edge, and green and white is in bad edge. So while solving, I will not simply solve the red and white like this. I will make, before that I will make D move, and then I solve the red, and then that is green and white will become good edge, and I will simply do B prime move to insert it. So I solve blue and green together like this. So now let's combine everything to solve this example case. Here I have red is good edge, orange good edge, but blue is a bad edge, and green also bad edge. If I put the red here, so as per the color scheme, this should be blue, this should be orange, and this should be green. uh, so now first I will put this orange to the other side, back side here. Then I convert this green become good edge. Here also I make D prime move, put the blue right here. Now I insert the red, so now blue become good edge. Then I insert green, then I insert orange, then finally I insert blue. And here I make D2 move to make the cross sword. And that's all for today. I hope this video will be helpful for you. I will see you guys on next video of this series. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.